So, yeah, just load, come on, go faster, please. So we have these statues, look at all of them. I got a freezer, and I got orange. Objective, get a snack. Okay, sleep, toothpaste, chips, ultra, yeah. Yeah, that cat's weird. Oh look, Five Nights at Freddy's. We have some, okay. I'm not gonna pick up that money. Yes, get that money. Oh wait, I think there was some money in here. Alright, I forgot to pick up the money. I decided to pick up it again. Here's some money. Robux. You don't get real Robux from this game. Cheat codes, book. Why do I hear boss music? How to eat chips in secret. So helpful. How to get a snack at 3 a.m. Yep, that's very helpful. Just read the book and then I can get my snacks. There's an orange. I'm not picking that up. Let's see here. No, I'm not turning on the light switch. Was that flamingo? Why is my father laying in the bathtub? Okay, let me just pick up this money. I don't think that... Why is there a hole in the wall? I'm not gonna look at that wall. It has a hole in it for, like, no reason. Okay, here we go. Out the door. Okay, let's go. More money! Let's just collect this car. I cannot collect the car, sadly. Money. Let's collect the money. Why do I need to give you a soda? You know what? It's a game. Yeah, it's real life. Money. More money. Why is there so much money in this store? It's like people are just waiting for me to pick up this money. Like, why is there money literally everywhere? Like, there's so much money in the house, outside. Why is there some in the store? Why do people leave their money in the store? Okay, I'm gonna purchase this egg. Now I need to get the orange. Can't get the orange juice? Can't make a perfect breakfast. What should I do? I'm gonna try to cook the egg and then I'll go back for the orange juice. So go inside. Yep, that's flamingo. Pass by. Chips for noobs. That's like the easiest ending. Anyway, we're going to place the egg. And I turn it on the stove. Okay, turn on there. Why does it look like it's daytime now? So basically what happened was the recording stopped for like no reason and it just turned off. So now I'm sort of mad, not really. But yeah, and I already finished the game because I was getting bored. So, sorry you didn't get to see that. Yeah, that's all I have for you today. That's all I have for you today, basically. So, I guess all you need to do is like and subscribe, and then you're gonna be fine. You'd be fine your whole life. It's fine. Bye.